Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, market staying super sideways, right? And as I said, maybe market might continue to move in this range itself for today. Maybe market might wait in this range, and then we could see either an up move or a down move, right? So now market has stayed in this range. What can we do for tomorrow is that tomorrow also market might stay in this range if it opens flat, right? Because there is again resistance and there is again support on the downside. So maybe market might stay in this 500 point range again, right? Or maybe market might even try to go above this range and then come back down, right? Something like this could also happen. But yes, if that happens, then you can get a very good trend in the market. But still, market has consolidated pretty good over here. So yeah, market is almost, I think, ready for another down move or a up move. But yes, for that we will need to see which levels are very important and which levels are not that important, right? So what can you do for tomorrow? Very simple. Tomorrow, if you open with a gap down again somewhere near 44,500 or maybe 44,450, 400, all these levels, below 44,440 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short trade till 44,200. Because we are again opening with a gap down, chances are a lot of people will have their short positions over here. So market should continue to move down fast from here, right? Remember that if the market has to move down from here, it will go down fast. So if the market has to trap, it will trap you very fast from here itself, right? Market will go up in a single candle after breaking this low. But yes, below this low of 44,430, you guys can go ahead and take a short position. Your target will be 44,200. Make sure to trail your stop loss tightly over here, right? Because if the market has to go, it will go down in a straight direction like this, right? It will not really make you wait a lot and give some sort of a big swing up on the upside and then go down. So if you open say near 44,500 and cross 44,430, you can go ahead and take a short position. But as I said, trail your stop loss tightly. 80 points of stop loss will be fine, and then we can expect 44,200 on the downside because market has also consolidated over here. So chances are market might go down, right? But the best thing would be if the market maybe opens flat or opens with a gap up somewhere near over here and then moves up till 45,000 and then starts to go down, because then a lot of people will get bullish. If market opens with a gap up and starts moving up, a lot of people will get bullish, and then there will be a lot of buyers in the market which can get trapped if the market comes down. So if that happens, then we can get a very good selling trade over here in bank nifty. But yes, if we open the gap down somewhere near 44,500, anywhere below 44,430, you can go ahead and take a short position till 44,200. Do not take the position in the first 5 minutes of the market opening, right? Because the first 5 minutes are really very volatile. So it's better to stay out for the first 5 minutes of the market opening, and then you can go ahead and take a trade if you do get a proper trade after that, right? Do not take the position in the first 5 minutes. Again, I'm saying if you open flat and start moving up, you pretty much cannot do, because 41,780 to 800 will act as a resistance. So you don't really have a lot of space over here. On the downside, however, if market does move below 44,530, then also you cannot really do anything, because then there is support of 44,500 over here. Maybe 44,430 will also act as a good support. So it really, you cannot do anything if you open flat, or if you open flat and then we start moving up or moving down, because there is not really a proper range on either side over here, right? If you open with a gap up and then start to move above this range, right, then you can look for shorting opportunities near 45,000, 45,050, all these levels, right? This is the best place to take a short position. So if you start seeing negative price action being built over here, then you can go ahead and take a short position in bank nifty. Your target will be easily, first of all, 44,600, and then you can keep better targets or bigger targets on your downside till 44,500, 44,400, as you wish, right? Now that is if you open with a gap up or flat and start moving up, and then you can go ahead and take a short position over here. Right, that is what bank nifty. Talking about nifty also, if you see, pretty much consolidating in a very tight range, right? Pretty much a 60-point range. If you see, the range was like, for most of the day except these two candles, the range was just 40 points, right? So Nifty has been consolidating. Nifty has also been consolidating very tightly. If we go till 90,720, Nifty will take a resistance from the swing guys over here, 730, 720. So if you see Nifty taking resistance from the swing guy, then you can also go ahead and think of taking a short trade, right? Or maybe Nifty and break these swing highs and then again, give a breakout failure over here and then start moving down. So if you see negative price action being built in 5-minute chart over here, you can again go ahead and take a short trade. Your target will be first of all today's closing, and then you can keep bigger targets of 19,640 and all these levels, right? If you open the gap down somewhere near 19,000, maybe 600 or 620, right? Then if we cross 19,600, you can take a short trade till 19,550 first of all, and then 19,500 on the downside. But do not keep big targets, because it's not really, I mean, Nifty is at a place where it hasn't really given a good amount of pullback as compared to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty still, kind of has given a little bit of pullback, but Nifty still, hasn't really given a lot of pullback over here, right? So taking a trade in Nifty, yes, you can take a trade in Nifty, but again, same thing with Bank Nifty also, same thing as Bank Nifty. Keep trail your stop loss tightly over here. Do not, do not really keep a very big stop loss. And if you want, you can also go with less quantity over here. There is no need to go aggressive over here, right? But yes, this zone over here on the upside, 19,800, 19,750 will act as a good resistance also. If I show you guys over here, if I would have, I will go ahead and put the volume profile over here, and I'll show you guys where exactly can we get a very good resistance, right? If you see, I put a volume profile from, exactly from, I plotted out the volume of this fall, right? And if you see, the most volume is at 19,780 in futures, right? Which is just above this swing high over here in Nifty. If you see this swing high of 19,720. So chances are Nifty might break this swing high, take resistance just above this swing, and then start moving down. So if you do see something like that, then you can go ahead and take a short position in Nifty at these levels, right? Same thing with Bank Nifty also. In Bank Nifty, however, um, the volume profile or the highest volume is at somewhere near 44,800. So yes, Bank Nifty, there is, you can see it as a day high trap over here. Bank Nifty breaks previous day's high and then starts to move down again, right? So that can happen. And yes, if you see something like that, you can go ahead and take a short trade in Nifty, very easily. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Again, if tomorrow also market does stay in this range, for one more day, then we can expect a very good momentum in, both the indices, mostly on the expiry day, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.